Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell to never miss out any important updates. And also follow my social media handles for more. So many of you asked how to access the courses from Knowledge Board, or if we missed any sessions like week 1, week 2, week 3 sessions, how we can attend, where we can find the recording sessions, and do they really send the recording sessions and all. You all were having doubts regarding it. So I came up with solution. So in this video I'll explain how you can access the Knowledge Board and how you can find the recording sessions and how you can complete the courses, and will explain if the attendance is mandatory or not. So make sure you watch the video till end. Let me show you how you can find the recording sessions and where you can find the recording sessions. So go to browser and type Infosys Springboard. You can just type Infosys Springboard. You can open this Infosys Springboard. So click on login. Click on login with Google. This is the website. And from here how you can find your recording sessions I'll show you. So here if you see, you can see more option. Click on more, and here you can find all like goals, interests, badges. And to find your recording sessions, just click on knowledge boards, because all the recording sessions they'll give here, and in the meetings also they might mention that they'll be providing the recording sessions in knowledge board. So here is the knowledge board. Just click.
So after clicking on knowledge board, you'll get this page where you can find various channels. You'll find Cohort 9, and apart from that you'll find AI Empower Her and other programs from Infosys Springboard. To access Pragati Part 2 Future Cohort 9, you can just click on that.
So everything about cohort 9 you'll get here. Everything you can find here. So these are the sessions, and also you can find weekly session recordings. So if you fail to attend the live session, you can just complete this. So based on this, they'll mark your attendance, and at last they'll decide whether to give certificate or not. And if you like, while choosing the prerequisite, if you selected data science track, you can just go with this videos. You can just attend these videos. Or if you chose the cloud computing track, you can go with this. And for recording sessions, you can attend this. If you missed the live sessions, you can just go with this. So still you haven't got the week 4 session recording, you'll get it soon. If session was conducted, you'll get it soon. To access the session recording, just click on that and click on start. So here will be the recording. You can just listen.
And your attendance will be marked based on it. So make sure you.
So that is how you can access the knowledge board and attend the recording session. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends, because it really motivates me to keep posting genuine updates for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.